George Co. Industries present The Adventures of Mr. Pellet. I have finally arrived at George Co. Industries. I was put on a shelf high up so I saw the entire plant. Machines cluttered the floor. I witnessed frisbees, sleds, and flower pots being manufactured out of many different kinds of pellets. I knew my time was close at hand. I started asking, what different types of pellets are there?
What different types of pellets are there? There's polypropylene, nylons, polycarbonates, ABS.
And the main difference between them is what needs dried and what doesn't, and how they get processed at what different temperatures.
Then I started to visit different vessels holding other types of pellets. While I was looking around, a woman named Betty told me what would be happening to some of my friends.
Shut the door. It'll automatically close and fill it up, make it on its own. We just wait a few minutes. Just take the part out.
My day of change had arrived. I was morphing into a sled. I was extracted from my box by the vacuum system and transferred into the hopper. I then went to the barrel. In the barrel, polypropylene pellets, like me, got melted at 420 degrees. I then got poured into a mold. After that, the machine opened up and I was now a sled. Some pellets, once they're in their permanent form, have a second transformation performed by Derek.
I'm pad printing ink manager, and we transfer ink onto plastic parts.
It was shipped and bought. The best part about George Co. was that they used recycled plastics and create their own. I love my new form, and I advise all pellets to go to George Co. and experience the manufacturing process.